Alright guys, come with me today as I hunt at the Home Depot for a new refrigerator for my home. I'm looking, I'm searching. If you got one, let me know, but I'm here. Oh my god, that food smells so good. Alright, my home bees, my pan bees, I am in the Home Depot and I'm looking for a fridge. So I see some, oh gosh, she's so cute. So I'm looking for a fridge, y'all, okay? If you could see, fridges are a little bit expensive. And what I'm looking for is a fridge that have like ice, an ice maker, a few gadgets because I like to eat ice. I love ice. But I never knew how much refrigerators cost. Like, I never shopped for a refrigerator before. Y'all, there's so many refrigerators. I don't really know where to start. This one here is $18.97. Got a 20% off, take an additional off for this joint. It's got an ice machine like how I'm looking for. I'm just trying to look and see because I don't know how much refrigerators cost. I never bought a refrigerator. Oh my God. So we got this little one that's $6.78. This is a basic joint, but like I said, I want an ice maker on mine, even if it's not on there, if it's inside. But these refrigerators, golly, whoa. This is what I'm talking about, Samsung. I'm not even going to look in there because I already know what that's about to be about. I'm seriously creeped out because how much does a refrigerator cost, bro? This is not bad. $12.20. Okay, remove protective film. Oh, shit. Oh, I didn't do that. Y'all know I didn't do that. That's why I record, because I don't have time. Y'all know I didn't have time. I'm going to politely put this shit on the side and somebody else can deal with that job. That's not my job. That's not my job.
I need a picture of the back associates in the back wall. I need a picture.
All right, y'all. This John say not twice, bro. Okay. I like that. That's cool. 12 months financing. Now that's ridiculous. But that's dope. Just another tip. Okay. All right, y'all. As I'm saying, refrigerator is expensive. I'm going to have to finance one of the fridges that I particularly find attractive. But like I said, they got a lot of clearance things here at the Home Depot. I suck with my camera, so leave me alone. A lot of clearance stuff. But y'all know what I want. I want the Maytag, the Samsung. Who's going to buy me a refrigerator? Who? 866 Maytag, basic joint. It don't have no ice maker. That's what I'm really looking for, is an ice maker. Even if it's not on the outer part of the refrigerator, it could be, inside where you have to like put your hand and get the ice to yourself, or just anything. I'm an ice eater. Even an old school joint like this. As I was saying, even an old school joint like this, that's not old school, but just something that, just tells me it's ice. I'm scared to open this because the other one gave me issues. Water dispenser, like that's really what I want. Alright, y'all, PNBs, homebees, I'm getting the hell out of here because I can already see my wallet dwindling in this bitch. But we saw some cool, options, and from there I can just go home and maybe find something used, something more refurbished. It don't have to be from Home Depot, but it could be just something refurbished. Just a lot of places that have that. in the city. So if you got a refrigerator, hit me up. Ice maker, hit me up. Home Depot is high. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm hungry, and I'm gonna go to this truck because it smells so good. Who is this? Wait. Entrance. I always wanted to eat in here because it always smells so freaking good. So I'm gonna do that today. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sandwich combo. I might have to go for that. Alright, y'all, it's lunchtime. It's raining. So guys, look at that. It looks so good. We got the toppings for guys. So I'm gonna get a sandwich with some peppers. I'm over here. Okay.
Ahora la chicha más pequeño, por favor. Una chicha dulce más pequeño. Sí, por favor.
Yes, papi. It smells so good every time I'm over here. Alright, let's go get our thumbs over here. Hi. Just a Fanta pineapple one, I guess. Alright guys, so I just came from the Home Depot and they have this amazing hot dog and sandwich and hot grill sandwich stand right outside of the Home Depot on what is this, the Boulevard. So if you ever uptown and northeast, not uptown, I'm sorry, in the northeast, excuse me, because niggas be start snapping when you be saying where something's at and it's not. But I ended up just grabbing a platter combo which came with some chips. I went and got my favorite Coke, and oh my God, look at this. Look at this thing. So it's basically a sausage. I got this hair in my fingernail, y'all. I'm drawing. I do not yet have the right equipment to vlog from my car, so the camera went from left to right, whatever. But basically what I got, guys, from Roscoe's, they sell sandwiches, sausages. Look at that. Look at that pepper, and then look at that sausage. I'm gonna take a quick bite before my phone decides to fall or do anything else dumb. This is a fat Amoroso roll right there, if you can see. That's an Amoroso roll, okay? Bitch. You know how when you get food and you just gotta eat it, you gotta take a second, I'm sorry, to just, look at that, you guys. He put mayo on here, ketchup, like the works pretty much. I gotta get out of here. I can't stay here because I gotta go. I just went to go check a refrigerator. Shout out to Roscoe's. This is freaking amazing. I'm gonna go home and share this with my kid because God knows she's hungry. And I'll see you guys later, okay?